foot to the floor in the V12. A nice cold start from the classy Ferrari. Some incredible revs from the stock exhaust. This Novitec exhaust is amazing. This pull actually broke the microphone, it was so loud. The sharpness of the gear changes make this car sound so good. Unreal aftermarket exhaust launch. The V12 is so loud. What a sound from the beautiful V12. Make sure to like and subscribe. The pops after the gear changes are the best I've ever heard. Sounds right at home in Monaco. A lovely cold start. The ultimate V12 noise. This one-of-one Rosso Venezia sounds stupidly loud. An unreal Rosso Venezia launch waits for the sound in the distance, it is incredible.